A ladder 500 centimeters long leans against the building. If the angle between the ground and the ladder is 57 degrees, how far from the wall is the bottom of the ladder? Round answer to the nearest tenth. So we're gonna, first step one, we're going to draw. And so we have a building. We have a ladder leaning on the building that's 500 centimeters long. The angle that it's leaning at between the ladder and the ground is 57 degrees. It's a right triangle. And we want to know how far from the wall is the bottom of the ladder. So here's the bottom of the ladder. Here's the wall. We're talking about that distance. This distance here, which is the distance adjacent to our 57 degree angle. So x. And x is the adjacent side. 500 is across from the 90, so that's the hypotenuse. The ladder length would be the hypotenuse of this right triangle that we created. And so we set it up. I need something that does adjacent and hypotenuse. If you look over on your stuff listed on your page, cosine would be adjacent over hypotenuse. So cosine of 57 degrees is going to be equal to the adjacent side x over 500, the hypotenuse, adjacent over hypotenuse, adjacent over hypotenuse. And so now the big thing here is we just want x by itself. Well, this one's easy because in order to get x by itself, I just need to multiply by 500 on both sides because x is being divided by 500. So they cancel out here. This is what we wanted, x by itself. And then 500 times the cosine of 57 goes into the calculator. And we get 272.31, which just rounds to 272.3. And it's in centimeters. So that distance, 272.3 centimeters, is equal to x.